In forests of a natural and semi-natural character, the best conditions are found by a collared flycatcher. In Poland, it is a rare nesting bird, occurring mainly in the southern and eastern part of the country. It can be found, among others, in the Białowieża forest. Its biotope are extensive older deciduous and mixed forests with a correspondingly large number of hollow trees. A flycatcher feeds on insects caught mainly in flight. Prey is also collected from branches, leaves, trunks, flowers, and from the ground. However, it is a less common